Hey guys, welcome to my video. In this episode, we'll check out how you can track your dividends for free. And no, this isn't a 2-week trial, unlike some of those other free dividend trackers out there. Towards the end of the video, we'll be discussing one ETF that you need to look at if you want to be investing in safe dividend issuing companies. Hey guys, welcome to this video. If you're new to this channel, I'm Romel, and on this channel we talk about all things related to finance, investing, and building wealth. We talk about mindsets, strategies, techniques, and resources that you can use to start on your journey to build wealth. If you haven't yet, please like, comment, and subscribe. We're a new and growing YouTube channel, and anything you can do to support us is greatly appreciated. Are there any free dividend trackers out there? One of the most popular dividend trackers is Simply Safe Dividends. And while I do like it, and I do like their platform, unfortunately, you only get 2 weeks of free use. After that, you'll have to pay a monthly fee. The answer to that is yes. Trackyourdividends.com. Let's go take a look at this website. I'll be showing you how you can input your stocks so that you can properly track it on this website. And I'll show you how you can check how much dividends you're going to be making in a year. Alright guys, so here's a quick overview of the website. As you can see, once you log in, you get brought to your dashboard. Quick layout of the dashboard. Here are 4 of your key metrics below. One is your portfolio value, the other one is dividend yield, next one is yield on cost, and the last one is annual income. This is one of the ones we're most interested in because we're investing in dividend stocks to boost our passive income that we get. Below these metrics are your holdings. As you can see, all of these holdings have been taken and inputted from my M1 Finance account. On the toolbar up top, you have some free tools, which include diversification, upcoming dividends, portfolio history, portfolio alerts, and dividend payments. Apart from that, you have stock analysis and stock popularity, both of which are premium services, so you'll need to purchase a yearly subscription to access those 2 tabs. Apart from that, you have the blog. Blog is where trackyourdividends.com writes articles that you can look at. The contact tab is where you go to find the email that allows you to reach out to trackyourdividends.com. One of the things I'll be showing is how you input a new holding. What you'll have to do is click on the new holding button. For this example, I'll show you how I transfer my M1 Finance holdings information into trackyourdividends.com. For these purposes, I'm going to delete the Apple app so that I can re-enter it. Now that it's deleted, I'll go over to my M1 Finance account. From there, I go into my holdings tab. That'll allow you to see all of my current stocks that I own in my portfolio. Once I'm there, I'll go to Apple to take a look at the shares and average price. These are 2 of the key numbers that you need to do to input your holding into trackyourdividends.com. Once you go back into trackyourdividends.com, you input a new holding. It'll ask you for the ticker symbol. From there, you input your number of shares. Again, this is one of the numbers that you get from your M1 Finance Holdings tab. After that, you input your cost per share. Here, you can see that the average price is $298.56. Once you add it, it'll be added to your holdings down below. One way to confirm that you have added the right information is to take a look at the profit and loss. On the trackyourdividends.com, you can see that the current profit and loss is $9.91. And when I go back to M1 Finance, this also shows $9.91. In the beginning of the video, I mentioned one ETF that you should be looking at to start investing in dividends. If you've watched some of my other videos, then you'll know that I'm very bullish about investing in dividend aristocrats. If you don't know what the term bullish means or dividend aristocrats, take a look at my channel because I go into detail about what those 2 things are. The ETF that I'd be looking into if I'd want to start investing in dividend aristocrats is Noble. Noble tracks the S&P 500 dividend aristocrats. Let's go back into the free dividend tracker and let's see what happens when you add some Noble to your portfolio. Let's add some Noble at the current price. Currently it's trading at $71.94. Once I go back to my free dividend tracker, I'll add a new holding with the ticker symbol NOBL for Noble. I'll add, let's just say 20 shares at $71.94. As you can see, my annual income jumped from $17 to $48 a year. This is because Noble has some of the best dividend aristocrats in its ETF. Alright guys, that's all I have for this video. Hopefully you got some use out of it. As you can see, trackyourdividends.com is a great way to track your dividends for free. If you haven't started investing yet, then one of the best brokerages that I think you should start with is M1 Finance. This is because it allows you to start investing in fractional shares as soon as you open an account. With just $100 to start, you can start investing in many of the biggest companies in the world. If you'd like to connect with me on other social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, I'll leave those links down below as well. As always guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.